Want to make an extra $1,000 a month? Curious about the best side hustle to get you there? Keep watching to find out how you can boost your income with these 5 amazing side hustles. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. And don't forget, you can check the timestamp in the description if you really want to skip the specific section. But trust me, you will want to watch the whole thing for the best tips. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ram, and today we are talking about side hustle that can help you earn extra $1,000 a month. With the rise of cost living, you wouldn't want little extra cash, right? Whether you are saving for vacation, maybe paying off your debt, or just want some finance freedom, side hustle can be your game changer. I remember a few years ago, I was looking for a way to earn extra money each and every month. I stumbled upon these side hustles and they made me huge difference in my finance situation. Let's dive in and explore these opportunities. First thing first, what exactly is side hustle? A side hustle is a type of employment or activity undertaken in addition to your current full-time job. It is a way to earn extra income on the side. The beauty of side hustle is that it can be flexible and it fits around your current schedule. And the main benefit that you can get from side hustle is make you to earn extra income. Properly, you can learn new skill, sometimes even turning your passion into profit. Plus, it can be a safety net if your main job is unstable. Now, how do I choose these side hustle? I focus on those that require minimum startup cost, maybe flexible time and commitment, and have a potential to earn at least $1,000 a month. I also consider the skill need and how quickly you can start making money immediately. Okay, side hustle 1. Let's start with selling product online. Platform like Etsy, maybe Amazon or eBay are the great for this. You can sell handmade crafts or vintage item, even drop shop products as well. For example, I have a friend who starts selling handmade jewelry on Etsy with some creativity and a bit of marketing. She now making over $1,000 a month. The key is to find the niche market and create quality product and promote them very effectively. Some strategy including using high quality photo, writing detailed description, and leverage social media for marketing, for example TikTok and Snapchat. Also always keep an eye on trend and customer feedback to improve your offering. Side hustle 2. Next up, real estate investing. Specifically rental property, Airbnb. This might sound daunting, but you don't need to be a millionaire to start. You can start begin with a small property or even rent out a room in your house. One of my colleagues turned his basement into a Airbnb rental property, and now he's making around over $1,200 a month. The basic include finding the right property, calculating the potential return on investment, and managing the property more effectively. You will need to consider factors like location, market demand, and property management. Also be prepared for some initial investment and ongoing maintenance. Side hustle 3. Content creation is another fantastic side hustle. Platforms like YouTube, blogging, and podcasts can be very lucrative. The trick is to create content that people find valuable or entertaining. For example, this video. Take YouTube for instance. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start monetize your channel with ads, sponsorship, affiliate marketing, and merchandise or other revenue stream. A friend of mine start cooking channel, and within a year he making over $1,000 a month. The key is consistent quality content and engaging with your audience. Find a niche you passionate about and stick with it. Side hustle 4. If you have a car and some spare time, ride sharing or delivery service like Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash can be a great way to make extra money. The flexibility is a major plus, allowing you to work whenever you want. One of my friends drive for Uber on weekend and easily make around extra $1,000 a month. The pro is are flexible and decent pay, especially during the peak hour. The con might be including wear and tear on your car and the need for good customer service skill. To maximize earning, focus on high demand time, provide excellent service and use strategy like accepting long drive. Side hustle 5, last but not least, pet sitting or dog walking. Platform like Rover or Wag make it easy to find a gig in your area. If you love animal, this can be fun and rewarding side hustle. I know someone who turned her love for dog into thriving side business. She used Rover to find clients and now making over $1,000 a month just from dog walking and pet sitting. The best part is she get to spend time with the adorable pets. To succeed, be reliable, communicate well with the pet owner and provide excellent care. Build a good reputation will help you to get repeated client and referral as well. Managing multiple side hustle can be challenging but doable with the right strategy. Time management is crucial. Use tools like calendar and task list to stay organized. Prioritize tasks based on deadline and a potential earning. Balancing a side hustle with a full-time job required setting a boundary and allocating specific time for each activity. And remember, it is important to avoid burnout. Take breaks, stay healthy and do things that you enjoy outside from your work. To recap, we discussed 5 side hustles that can help you earn $1,000 a month. From selling product online, real estate investment or content creation, ride sharing or delivery service and pet sitting or dog walking. Each of these have its own set of benefit and challenge, but with the dedication and effect you can be succeeded. So which side hustle are you most interested in? Let me know in the comment section below, and if you're ready to start your own side hustle journey, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and hit that bell notification for more content like this. Now if you have any question, drop them into the comment section below. I will do my best to answer all your questions in my future video. Alright folks, that's a wrap up. Remember, side hustle can be a great way to achieve your finance freedom and pursue your passion. Thank you again for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep hustling.